and she was very dejected that they asked about some significance of this Yajashna ceremony to the Moabeds who were helping perform that, and they had no clue or didn't say much about that. And she wants to then know, what does this religious ceremonies of Boy, Baj and Yajashne mean, so that our young people understand what they're doing. So my answer to that is this, that we will cover wedding ceremony next, that ceremony afterwards, and then Boy and Baj, because these are related to North American context. We can do these ceremonies in North America. However, Yajashne, Vandida, Navar and Martab, currently at this time we cannot do in North America because we do not have the correct background on it, and we do not have the correct, as they call, implements for it. But in the future it may be possible, and we will discuss a little bit about that. But I am happy to discuss this later on if you people are interested in doing so. Okay, so hello? Somebody said something? Okay.
No, thank you.
Okay, so now we come back to Farida again. Farida says that you are not mentioning slide numbers. She has this problem with me all the time, but Farida, we are on slide number 30 right now. And then we, whatever she mentioned is already been following up, like questions and answer, which we are doing right now. And so we have covered this one already, and thank you, Farida, for the suggestions to do so. I am on slide number 31, and Behram Pastakia comes into picture. Last time when we were doing the teleclass, somebody mentioned, how about having a Kadmi Khorde Avesta and also putting it on internet for the benefit of all, as we have done the Parsi, the Zoroastrian Shenshai Khorde Avesta in English and in Gujarati by none other than an excellent scholar, Ervat Kangaji. So he actually wrote an email requesting to procure this Kadmi Khorde Avesta and copied it to Dolidas, to myself, and a very good gentleman, Sam Kerr, who is the very forefront Kadmi Zoroastrian, all the way to Sydney, Australia. And Sam was very nice to send me a copy by mail of this Khorde Avesta, but it is in Gujarati. And I will be trying to scan the pages and put it on internet as time permits. But the next thing I did is to call up my friends and family people, my nephews and nieces, who jumped to whatever I request, for which I'm very grateful. And Dastuji Khurshid was coming, so they have procured the Gujarati and English Kadmi Khorde Avestas, and Dastuji is going to bring it to me next week, so we will see what we can do about that. I want to thank Dastuji for it, and I have shown you, I'm on slide 33, the picture of Gujarati Kadmi Khorde Avesta on the left and English Kadmi Khorde Avesta on the right. And to procure this one, I want to thank my nephews in Mumbai and Udwara, Zarir, Rukshana, Kurush, Bahadur Nalladaru, who is the son of the Dastuji Nalladaru, who passed away lately, of the Kadmi Atash Behram in Bombay, and then Dastuji Khurshid and Sam Kerr from Sydney, Australia. It is a wonderful thing to have this kind of network. Whenever I need something, I get this thing because of these beautiful people who work so much to follow my request. And thank you all for that. Okay, he also said that 22nd of April is the Earth Day. I'm on slide number 34. And originally 22 April was the date we were going to have this teleclass, but unfortunately we had a picnic for our Miami groups. They requested to postpone it, so we are here today. So he said that he was wondering whether I could spend some time in the next class to prayers and scriptures in our faith tradition which address this topic of Earth Day celebration. I haven't done much research on this, Behram, because I was not at home most of the time this month. But anyway, just top of the head, here is what I think we could start with it. So on the slide number 35, I'm asking a question. Why was Zarathustra brought to the earth? Does anybody know? Well, Zarathustra himself says why. His second ha, number 29 of Yasna, which starts with Kshmaibya Geushura, you see in the bottom of the slide 35, where the soul of the earth cries out to Ahura Mazda. He says, "To you the soul of Mother Earth complain, wherefore ye gave me birth. Who fashioned me? Passion and rapine, outrage everywhere, and violence enmesh me all around. No other help than you yourself, Ahura Mazda. Reveal me a strong one who can save." This is how Zarathustra was selected by Ahura Mazda to come to this earth to solve the problem of Mother Earth. And this is the beginning of Zarathustrian religion. Isn't that interesting? So what does Zarathustra, after he established himself, does? The first thing he does is he writes his Gatha, and the first paragraph he says, "With uplifted hands and deep humility," this is Gatha 28, I am on slide 36, "I beseech, O Mazda, first and foremost, the abiding joy of progressive mentality, grant that I perform all actions in harmony with righteousness and acquire the wisdom of the good mind so that I may bring happiness to the soul of Mother Earth." What a beautiful way of starting his Gathas. I know I'm stretching it a little bit, but this is, we are supposed to be protecting our earth with all the creations of Dada Ahura Mazda. And that's the reason why we are supposed to celebrate all 6 Gambars in honor of the 6th creation. So now, let me mention some other prayers I found. Actually, this is in the Faizana Hama Anjuman prayers we compiled for Nowruz. And the first one is what we popularly call Jamwani Baj, because this is the prayer we should pray as a grace before our meals. So it says, "So in this place we revere Ahura Mazda, who gave the righteous earth, gave the good water and plants, and gave luster on the entire good earth." This is from Yasna Haptangaidi, or we popularly call it Jamwani Baj, Itaat Yazamaida Ahura Mazda. Something to say that we appreciate all the things that Dada Ahura Mazda did for us on this earth. And then if you follow on the last part, which is the 8th chapter of the 7 Haptangaiti chapters, we call it supplement number 42. It is in the praise of everything going on around on the earth. And I'm using this as the prayer for the Mother Earth. We revere the springs of water. I am on 38 slide number. We revere the springs of water, bridge over water, forking of the roads, coming together of the roads. We praise the waterfall which comes out of the mountains, the waters of the lakes, the growing grains, those who grow and look after the crops. The farmers are held in the highest regard because of that. We praise the earth and the sky, strong wind created by Ahura Mazda, the peak of Mount Hayarati, the earth and all its gifts, the flowing waters, and even the flight of the birds. What a way of describing beautiful Mother Earth. So, Behram, this is all I can do in the short time. Maybe we can do some more for the next year's Earth Day and do a better job of that. Is that okay?
Thank you.
Okay.